Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Michael Kors Hamilton Saffiano. I really like this color, this really beautiful tan color that it can go with anything that I wear. It has a really large capacity. As you can see, I had my tablet and a bunch of stuff that I don't even know why I carry, but I mean, there is a space, it can fit, so I use it. It's perfect if you have to go to work and you don't want to carry two bags. You just want one with all your essentials. I was wearing in it here with the pants, green pants, very informal, very casual. And I was also able to wear it with a skirt, a little bit more formal. And because I carry a lot of things on my back, so this strap is really convenient. It doesn't hurt my shoulders, it's not uncomfortable, and the gold chains add that little sophistication to the bag. And that's my point of view.